It's so boring here. I better go and find someone to play with me. Yeah. Oh, why don't I find Stephanie? Yeah, she's just next door, beside my house. Yeah, she's just beside my house. Okay. I just moved here. I know her like door number, so yeah. Stephanie, long time no see.
Oh, yeah.
Come out, let's play together because it's so boring.
Yeah, I'm boring too.
Yeah, since you didn't came to my house before, why don't I give you a tour?
Oh.
Great.
Oh, great.
Then let's go. Come in my house.
Okay. Come in. Ow. Coming out.
So, the tour starts from the dining room. This is the dining room where I always eat. And here's the kitchen.
Okay.
And inside here is the bathroom.
Oh, cool. I love bathroom. I have a bathroom, but
It's so small,
it's
right?
so small, yeah.
So let's come in my bedroom. Well, you can see already in my like clear door.
Yeah.
I've got a bed. I've got a computer.
Oh, cool.
And a drawer to put all my things in.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
So you can see from the clear door into the garden that I've got some flowers and a barbecue table.
Cool.
Yeah, I finished the tour, and what shall we play, though? Yeah. Oh, I know. Last time you remember that our friends gave us the
That
builder?
was Elsa.
Yeah, Elsa gave us the builder.
Yeah.
Why don't we play that? We both have one.
Yeah. Let me get mine.
Yeah. Boop, boop, doop. It's hard to take it because it's so big.
Yeah, so big.
Do you know that I have some powers?
Yeah.
Only me and you secret. So I'm gonna make a scissor here. Do you want to see how my power works?
Yeah.
So, 3, 2, 1, woo! This is a really big scissor.
See my back scissor.
Come on, scissor. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Which
okay.
do we go first? Maybe I'll go first because I made the scissor here.
Okay.
Okay, we cut it. Well, maybe I don't need really cut. I just have to just take this thing up. Okay.
Then go back scissor.
No, I need.
Okay.
Look at these. Yeah, no more. And the sections are here. I mean, how to make it, I can see on the floor like that. Well, I can tear it off. Maybe I can't. So to cut. Like that.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Let me get all of it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Then these rocks.
Let me see.
You are so
Clumsy, right?
crazy. Yeah. Get all of them. There you go.
Is it all?
Yep. That's all.
So let's. Okay, I'm gonna just
Number
do
1
like
is put out. You need this.
Let's see. Yeah, like this one and that one.
This.
Let's pull all of them out. I need this piece. like that.
This is the number 1.
Oh yeah, I forgot number 1. Is it this piece all in here? Like this, right?
I need
3 pieces.
Yeah, 3 pieces.
That 2 piece and the last piece.
Okay.
It's in the middle, right? Right?
Yeah, it's in the middle.
So, okay, like that. I'm gonna just like this.
Hi guys, I'm Stephanie. My name is Stephanie.
Okay, let me just
Okay.
like that.
Oh,
Is it like
it's
this?
like a
This is so cool. Yeah. Here's this one, like that. And now, let me just put this on like this. Okay, let me do the next piece. Okay, I need like this piece. That.
Oh,
like
cool.
this.
Yeah.
Oops. Okay, let me see. Number 4 is this one.
Number 2 is this one.
Yeah, I finished it already.
Oh!
Okay, let's see the next one.
I see you like this. I don't want.
What is the pieces?
Okay.
Okay, we still have 2 of these because, yeah, we need that. Okay, like, I'm gonna just, I think it's this piece. So, like, this, and this piece, like that. Now, I'll just put that here. We're done a bit. So let's do the number 5. So, okay, let's see. So I'm gonna just like, is it over here? Yeah, it has one over here. 1, 2, 3 pieces. And is it like that? No, I don't think so. This piece, I know it. That and these pieces, like this and like this. Ugh, I fell down. Okay, let's see. The last pieces is this piece, I guess. Yeah, like this, right? That, isn't it? Yeah, I guess so. And this piece, like, I'm gonna just put this piece here. Yeah, it's here, like that, and over here, maybe. Oh, I've got 2 of them. So, one over here. And yeah, like this, and this piece is the last piece I'm gonna do, but yeah. Okay, I finished this. Do you know what is this?
I didn't.
It's a radio, I guess, cause yeah, it looks like a radio.
It's not. Maybe we can sit on it.
Oh yeah, maybe. But
Yay.
it's on radio. It's so big. It's so giant. It looks like a whale like this.
Yeah, then
So
my
cool.
turn.
Okay, I'll help you open it.
No,
Okay then.
I'm trying to get box out.
I'll help you cut it then.
Nothing. I can cut because I make it. It's okay. should I make it? Oh, session.
Radio.
Okay, take my scissor. Okay.
Yeah, this is.
Let me
is a
sit up.
radio.
Let me
Like
sit
this.
first.
This is a radio.
Let me sit. My hand.
This looks really cool.
Okay.
Or maybe this is just a marine.
Okay, so now. Okay. Hey, what's not? Okay. I can't open it.
Okay, let me
Thank you.
help you a bit.
Thank you.
Like that, you can open the old thingy. Like you just pour that out, and yeah.
Turn the rubber spin. Okay.
I'm gonna help you a bit.
Oh,
Again,
just
I'm
give me. Okay.
You're gonna like.
Need these.
No.
It's
No,
this,
no.
you see?
No, just give me.
Hey, that was
It's
mine.
like this. Look, it's like this, okay? You know?
Okay, all right.
And this piece over here.
Okay. Okay, I need
And now you have to turn it over and
Just-
put this piece.
give
Put
me.
this piece over here. Yeah. So.
That was mine. Just give me. Because that was mine. Hey.
Okay,
it's
then I'll go
mine.
back to my home. I just want to play with you.
But don't help me, please. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put one by
I'll help
one.
you.
Put it one
Come
by
on,
one.
I'll help you. Radio.
Okay, just put it one by one. Okay, is this up? So number 2. Let's put it over like that. Number 1. We need these 2. And this. Put it with this. Put it over here. Where? Yep, here. And I found it. But still leaking. Okay. So.
Did you miss something? Not just that, you know. Like, you're gonna just.
Hey! Just give myself.
Okay, but you still have to make this part. You
I
know?
know. I just want to make by myself. Okay?
Okay, then.
Because that was mine. Okay?
No. Elsa gave it to me and I share one to you.
Hey, it's sharing.
Okay, then you just make it.
Okay. So, number 3.
Get these pieces.
Yeah, get these.
No, not like this. Not like this. Like this. One.
Oh, yeah.
And the next one like that. You know, like how? Like this.
It's an airplane, maybe.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah.
I know it is.
Let me show it. Yeah, it's an airplane, and I can sit on it.
Yeah,
Yay!
maybe we could sit on it. Yeah.
So.
Did you just miss? Oh, I know. No. Yeah, like this. You're just gonna be like. You're gonna put it like that. Let's
Together?
And then, yeah. Like this over here because
Yes.
you have to put this one. You put this part.
Yep.
Okay, like that. And I'll put these on.
Okay.
Like this. Ooh, did I make it wrong?
Yep.
No, it's... Yeah, I made it wrong. Oh no, I'm gonna just take that off. Yeah, like that, so... No, not making that first. I'm gonna just help you make this first. Like this, right?
Have two of this, but where's the other one?
Here, it's on my... Like that, it can fly. Yep, like that.
It's real.
It's so cool.
It's real, but that was mine.
Yeah, it's sharing.
No, it's mine.
Okay then. Radio.
It's real.
Actually, it's a toy. Here. This one is a remote. I got your remote. Oh, calm down.
Ah.
Hey. I got the remote of it.
Hey, that was
Here,
mine.
that's your radio.
This is mine.
Okay then. I don't.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Let's just put those there.
Okay,
Yeah.
show it. I will show it.
It's happy. It's so happy now.
It's so much fun. Let me sit
Yeah,
on it.
it's so
Let me sit on it and
Yay! Calm down, Stephanie.
okay, down.
Let's say bye to the audience.
What audience?
Audience!
Okay.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please
You're
subscribe my
here.
channel if you like it.
Yeah.
Please subscribe my channel if you like it.
Yeah.
And we will have a lot of videos. Da 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 da.
You're here. Bye bye.